Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to customize an audit trail document in BoldSign. An audit trail document is a detailed record containing all relevant information about a document. It provides a clear and traceable history of actions, ensuring transparency and accountability while maintaining compliance with regulations and enhancing document security. Customizing the audit trail document involves adding custom legal terms, setting the document time zone, and customizing the brand logo on the branding page. Once a customized brand is used, these settings will be reflected in the audit trail document when downloaded. You can also choose how to deliver the audit trail document as a separate document or combined with the signed document. Take note that only the account administrator can customize the audit trail document. Now let's see how to customize an audit trail document. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the settings menu. Then I choose the branding option to navigate to the Manage Brand page. If you don't have a brand, you can create one by clicking the Create New Brand button. I click the context menu and select the Edit Brand option to access the Edit Brand page. The selected brand logo here will appear on the audit trail document. I can customize it by deleting it or editing it. The new logo will now appear on the audit trail document. Next, I navigate to the Advanced section. In this section, I can customize the audit trail document. If necessary, I can merge the signed document and audit trail document, so I don't need to download them separately by enabling the Combine Audit Trail option. In this case, I am not going to merge the signed and audit trail documents. I need to add custom legal terms that the signers must acknowledge and agree to before proceeding with the signing process. These terms are in addition to the standard electronic signature disclosure terms and BoldSign terms. To do this, I enable the Custom Legal Terms option. I enter the title Cube Flakes Terms and Conditions. I then add the custom legal terms. In the Preview section, I can check how the custom legal terms will appear to signers. These custom legal terms will also appear in the audit trail document. Next, I need to customize the time zone for the audit trail document. First, I activate the Document Time Zone option. I then select the required time zone from the drop-down menu. The selected time zone here is also reflected in the Date Signed field. I check my changes once and save them by clicking the Save Changes button. Whenever this Cube Flakes brand is used to send eSignature requests, the downloaded audit trail documents will also include the added custom legal terms, the brand logo, and the selected time zone. Next, I'll demonstrate how the branding settings are shown on the audit trail document. I'll start by creating a signature request with the customized brand. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload a recruitment request form in the Add Files section. Next, I add the signer's details in the Add Recipient section. I scroll down to the document settings and select Cube Flakes as the brand. I click the Next button. In this Configure Fields page, I set up the form fields. I drag and drop the signature and date sign fields. I check my changes once and send the document out for signature. After the signer has signed the document, I can download its audit trail. I navigate to the dashboard page and locate the required document from the My Documents page. I click the context menu and select the Download Audit Trail Document option. I can also download the audit trail document by clicking on the document to access its overview page. On this page, I click the More Actions button. I select Download Audit Trail from the list of options. The document will be downloaded shortly. The downloaded audit trail document contains details like the document's ID, name, sender, signer, IP address, and timestamps. Additionally, the brand logo, the selected time zones, and the custom legal terms provided on the branding page are in this audit trail document. That summarizes how to customize an audit trail document in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.